Sing Sang Tai Tai Leho. My name is Jerry Knowles, 25 years old. I am from Santiago City, Philippines. I am single and has no child. My highest educational attainment is college graduate. My hobbies are listening to music and singing. My expertise are child care and elderly care. I worked as a housemaid in Philippines for 3 years, from 2021 to 2024. I served one couple and two children ages 3 years old and 4 years old. My duties are taking care of children, elderly, cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, ironing, car washing, and marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family. I am willing to take good care of elderly and newborn baby. I can sing nursery song like wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. To my future employer, Mom, Sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, trustworthy, and has an initiative to do tasks. I promise to be a good housemaid and I promise to prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, Ma'am, Sir, and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.